Hey, thanks for tuning in to Hot Off Wheels. Jesse here with another Diecast video. I haven't done a peg hunt video in a while. I do apologize. I have been keeping the streets hot peg hunting, but I haven't found anything really worth mentioning or posting really. But like, I'm looking for specific sets, specific things. But I was able to find the entire Series 1 of the 2020 mystery models. More interested in the top 3, but my wife was able to find an entire box, our entire set, so we bought the box and everything. But let's see. So you may see that posted up here shortly. A little Auto Meets, I don't know what happened to the box, but little Auto Meets Chevy station wagon, pretty sweet little police car. The Dodge Little Red Express truck. I bought this even though it was, stapled to the card. The little, blister was stapled back to the card, whatever. I still bought it because I don't remember seeing that color before. I think it might be kind of cool to lift it up or whatever and put some different like wheels on it or something, but I don't know. Let's see, moving right along. Little Matchbox fire truck, whatever this is called, the Scania P360 or something. I don't know if it's a fire truck or, yeah, it's fire rescue truck. Let's see. Up next, we got a little Earl's Performance Plumbing A100 right there. I hadn't seen that before, so I found this at a auto parts store, so I thought that was kind of cool. Let's see what's next. A little another M2 Coke set. I don't buy too many of these because they are, well, I didn't buy that price. But at Walmart you can find these for about, I think, $8 or $9. So they're kind of pricey for one casting. So I don't buy too many of these. Found this at Hobby Lobby. Didn't pay the full sticker price. I ended up having like a, I think, 40% off code or something I used at checkout. So, but pretty nice little Chevy Fleetside Coke edition. Let's see, a little Matchbox Cadillac Series 62 convertible coupe. Really nice. If I can find another one, I may unbox that one on the channel, showcase it off something. Little Hot Wheels 2015 Ford Escort Fast and Furious edition. Thought it was kind of cool to find. I don't think I had any of those. Little Volkswagen Type 181 right here in the Matchbox. Little Mercedes 5-pack right there. Oops, dropped something. I'll be looking for this exclusive to be unboxed soon. A little 9-pack. Not my favorite necessarily 9-pack Matchbox, but love that exclusive car. So I'll be unboxing that probably soon. Got this at Hobby Lobby, a little work garage tool set, accessory set or whatever. Again, didn't pay the full price on that, but thought that was kind of cool. I haven't seen those before. It says Series 1. I'll have to look and see if there's what Series 2 looks like. But that was pretty sweet. A couple more Matchboxes here. Of course, my favorite right there is that Mercedes. Haven't seen that before. Really love the artwork they did on that. Thought that was kind of nice. Definitely a cool Mercedes. May unbox that on the channel soon. Another fire truck, different than the other one. A little farm vehicle, Mercedes Unimog right there, and then a BMW 2002 BMW, or sorry, 69 BMW 202. Pretty sweet. Yeah, I have to look and see. It may be the same BMW that was in the Matchbox Gold series. A couple more cars. A little 16 Cadillac ATS VR. Pretty nice. I believe this is maybe a Kroger exclusive color. I'm not 100% on that, but I've seen this car at other places, but I hadn't seen that color, so I believe that may be a Kroger exclusive color. check out this Brady Bunch car. If you're not familiar with the Brady Bunch, it's like a show from the 80s. I think maybe it even airs in the 70s. I'm not really sure, but it was on for a long time. You may even find it on like some rewind channels that play old classics about a little 56 Chevy. I was trying to figure out who drove the 56 Chevy because I didn't remember the family owning that one, but it was actually Greg's car. This one looks a lot nicer than the one he had, of course. His look was like a rusted up junker he was trying to pawn off. I think his friend pawned off to him and he was trying to pawn off to other people. So, I thought it was kind of funny to come across that. A little, I don't know, maybe called Road Raider. I don't know. This was some kind of maybe like SWAT, you know, truck or something like to that effect. But pretty wild, pretty wild. And that's about it. I don't know if I already showed you, did I already show you the Ford truck set? I may have, but pretty nice. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. I've got more content coming your way, so don't go anywhere. Stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.